Hello friends, welcome to Sky Online Academy. Today we are going to see about Class 4 CBSE Hindi Chapter 1 Man ke bole bale badal. First let us see what are the learning objectives of this video. कविता का पठन, नए व कठिन शब्द का उच्चारण व अर्थ, तुक वाले शब्द, पर्यायवाची शब्द, कविता का व्याख्याय. Now let's start the poem. मन के बोले बाले बादल. बोले बाले innocent, बादल clouds. Now let us start reading the poem. जब्बर जब्बर बालों वाले, गुब्बारे से गालों वाले, लगे दौड़ने आसमान में झूम झूम कर काले बादल. कुछ जोकर से तोंद फुलाए, कुछ हाथी से सूंड उठाए, कुछ ऊंटों से कुबड़ वाले, कुछ परियों से पंख लगाए. आपस में टकराते रह शेरों से मतवाले बादल. कुछ तो लगते हैं तूफानी, कुछ रह करते शैतानी. कुछ अपने तैलों से चुपके झर 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 बरसाते पानी. नहीं किसी की सुनते कुछ भी, ढोलक ढोल बजाते बादल. रह कर छत पर आ जाते, फिर चुपके ऊपर उड़ जाते. कभी कभी जिद्दी बन करके बाढ़ नदी नालों में लाते. फिर भी लगते हैं बहुत भले हैं, मन के बोले बाले बादल. और इस खूबसूरत कविता के कवि का नाम है कल्पनाथ सिंह. जब्बर जब्बर बालों वाले. The poet says that the clouds too have curly hair like human. गुब्बारे से गालों वाले. The clouds has cheeks like balloons. लगे दौड़ने आसमान में झूम झूम कर काले बादल. The poet says that these clouds are also very much naughty like small kids, and they don't stay in one place. They are moving around in the sky. They used to move in the sky. Zoom zoom kar kale badal. So these clouds, they are so naughty. They run across the sky and they are black in color. Kale badal. These black clouds, they move around in the sky. कुछ जोकर से तोंद फुलाए. So यहाँ कुछ means few, joker, clown, and tond. Tond means tummy. So the Kavi says that, Kavi feels that few clouds even has tummy like clown. The clowns have very much big inflated tummy, right? So these clouds also have inflated their tummy like clowns. कुछ हाथी से सूंड उठाए. The Kavi says that few looks like an elephant who has raised its trunk. Soond, trunk. हाथी, elephant. कुछ ऊंटों से कुबड़ वाले. Here children, कुबड़ means hump. और ऊंट, camel. So the poet says that few clouds look like an camel owned which has hump. कुछ परियों से पंख लगाए. परियों, fairy, पंख, wings. So the poet feels that even few clouds have wings like fairies. आपस में टकराते रह शेरों से मतवाले बादल. Here the poet says that the clouds are very brave like lion. The clouds, they used to dash among themselves, and when they dash among themselves, it starts to rain. We get rain. So आपस में टकराते रह means suddenly. आपस में, among themselves. So they start to dash among themselves as brave as a lion. शेरों से मतवाले बादल, मतवाले brave, brave like lion. कुछ तो लगते हैं तूफानी, कुछ रहा रहा करते शैतानी, कुछ अपने तैलों से चुपके झर 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 बरसाते पानी. The poet says that few clouds are so naughty. All of a sudden, they'll be naughty. So when the clouds are naughty, when the clouds become naughty, it starts to rain heavily. It starts to give strong thunder, lightning. So यहाँ कवि कहते हैं कुछ तो लगते हैं तूफानी. तूफानी का मतलब है storm. Tufani means storm. And sometimes it starts to pour water from its bag. Telo mane bags. So the poet says that, the poet feels that the clouds has bag, and in its bag the clouds has filled water. And suddenly the clouds used to pour the water and it starts to rain. नहीं किसी की सुनते कुछ भी, ढोलक ढोल बजाते बादल. The poet says that the clouds are so naughty that it never listens, never obeys anybody. When it wants to rain, it starts pouring the water. When it wants to stop, it will stop on its own. But when anybody says that clouds, please stop raining, it won't listen. नहीं किसी की सुनते कुछ भी, never they listen to, never they obey anyone. ढोलक ढोल बजाते बादल. ढोलक, here ढोलक, the actual meaning of ढोलक is drums. Here the poet has referred ढोलक ढोल to the thundering sound. So the poet says that the clouds, they used to play drums, that is, they used to thunder all the time. रह रह कर छत पर आ जाते, फिर चुपके ऊपर उड़ जाते. छत, roof. रह रह कर, suddenly. छत पर आ जाते, suddenly it starts to pour water on the roof of our house. फिर चुपके ऊपर उड़ जाते. चुपके means all of a sudden it used to stop raining and it goes back to the sky. कभी कभी जिद्दी बन करके बाढ़ नदी नालों में लाते. जिद्दी means stubborn, to be stubborn for something. बाढ़, flood. Nadi, river. Nalo, canals. So the poet says that sometimes it used to be so stubborn, so adamant that it continuously pours water, it continuously rains for almost 2 to 3 days and sometimes even for 5 to 6 days. And at that time it brings flood, बाढ़ in the rivers and canals. फिर भी लगते हैं बहुत भले हैं, मन के बोले बाले बादल. Even if the cloud gives storm, the clouds gives flood, even then we feel the clouds to be very good. When we see the clouds, the poet says that when we see the clouds, it looks so innocent, it looks so beautiful to see it. Man ke bole bale badal. The clouds are so good and innocent. और इस कविता के कवि का नाम है कल्पनाथ सिंह. The poet of this poem is Kalpanath Singh. धन्यवाद friends. In the second part, we will see the question answers and the book back exercise of this poem. धन्यवाद. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.